So here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need obviously your nails, some glue, a little bit of a nail filer or a nail filer block. Now, as you can see, all these nails are numbered, which makes it so much easier for you to figure out what nail shape suits you best. I have really wide nail beds. I like to start with the number 0, and then I can kind of eliminate it and figure out what to do next. So the number 1 is the one that fit me perfectly for my thumb. Some of these may be too big for you, some of these may be too small for you. Again, I have a really wide nail bed, so this one fits me perfect. And then the number 2 actually fit perfect in the 3rd finger. So you kind of have to look and see which ones suit you the best. So I took the number 3 and I place it on my 3rd ring finger. I actually like to go in directly with the glue, and I do like to apply more of a thicker coat so it can adhere better. I like to push it down and then push it back to almost against my cuticle. You don't want to push it too far back because you don't want to hurt yourself. If you catch any air bubbles, this will make it to where your nails won't last as long. So just a little tip. And I do push it down pretty hard, and I hold it for about 10 seconds, and then I just repeat the same steps. You can feel when you don't have a nail on, so if it doesn't feel right, just take it off and put it back on. And honestly guys, these nails probably last me a good almost 2 weeks. And I do take care of my nails when I'm washing dishes. I do wear gloves and all that stuff. And I mean, I'm a mom, so I do have a kid. I have 2 dogs, and they still last me a long time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nail cutter from Walmart, and I'm just going to trim the nails a little bit because these are super long. But what I love about these is that it doesn't lose its shape. All I did was I just filed the corners so they wouldn't be so sharp, but honestly the shape was there and it was so beautiful. Now what you want to do is apply your nail color. Usually with these nails, since they are clear, you will need at least 2 coats depending on the nail polish that you bought. This one is from Walmart and I love it. So that is it. Super simple, right? I love my nails. I get so many compliments on them, and I love that I can change the color whenever I want, however many times I want. So I'm going to leave the links down below so you can purchase everything to get your nails poppin'. I love you chicas, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.